Tesla TSLA Stock Forecast and Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Tesla Stock Forecast and Price Prediction 2025-2030. In this video, we gonna look at some price predictions for Tesla stock for 2025 and 2030. We gonna use a combination of linear regression, a moving average, and some educated guesses to make our price prediction for 2025 and 2030. Let us get into it. So here we are in 2022 looking back at some stock data from 2021. And if you just draw a straight line connecting these dots, you can see that we have an uptrend, and that uptrend would indicate that the stock price should continue to go up. Now, using that same logic, if we were to extend this line out to 2025, we would see that the stock price in 2025 should be around $1,700 per share. Now, I don't think that's very likely, so let's take a look at the next data point. Here we have the 200-day moving average. Now, if you recall, the 200-day moving average is a lagging indicator. It always lags behind current price. You can see right here that the 200-day moving average is currently at around $900 per share. If we were to extend this line out to 2025, we would see that the 200-day moving average should be around $800 per share. So now what we gonna do is we gonna take the average of these two lines. The first line represents the linear regression of the stock price from 2020 to 2021, and then we have the 200-day moving average. We're gonna take the average of those two and see where they intersect. That intersection is going to be our price prediction for 2025, so if we add these two lines together and divide by 2, we get this line right here. And if we extend this out to 2025, we get a price prediction of around $1,250 per share for Tesla stock in 2025. Now, this is just a very basic model, and it doesn't take into account any sort of growth or earnings or revenue or any fundamental data. This is simply just the linear regression of the stock price over the past 2 years. So obviously there's gonna be a lot of volatility in between now and 2025. But if we were to simply extrapolate this out to 2030, we would see that the stock price in 2030 should be around $2,600 per share. Now again, this is a very basic model, and it doesn't take into account any fundamentals of the company. For 2025, I would say that's probably a reasonable price target. But for 2030, I think that's definitely too high. So I think that the actual price of Tesla stock in 2030 could be lower than this. What do you guys think? Do you think Tesla stock will be higher in 2025 than it is today? Comment down below. Also, make sure to check out our site for the latest stock price prediction for Tesla and all the other stocks that we cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.